Cyber Sandwich is one of my favorite EduProtocols because it allows students to work with a partner to understand the content that they're trying to read or to get through. So the way that it works is there are 3 parts. First, the students are taking in that content, whether it be in a video or in a piece of written material that they're reading. And then together with the partner, they're going to compare and contrast the content and their ideas and what they learned from it. And then the last part is they will summarize on their own. So as we're getting into this, we have a template that will help us work through because of all the protocols. This one probably has a little bit of a complicated format, but with the template, students can easily get through it. So this is what the template looks like. Here's our content that students will start with, and it doesn't matter if it's your textbook, an article, a children's book, or a story, or something out of your history book, whatever content it is in any grade where students are reading. Works just fine. So in our first 2 slides in the template, you'll notice first they're different colors. The blue student will stay and work in the blue space throughout, and the yellow student will work in the yellow space. And that just helps them to see where they're supposed to be working next. So after they read the material, then they move to this slide where they are now comparing and contrasting, and you'll notice it looks a lot like a Venn diagram where each student's pasting in their notes, and then they have that middle space that's red where they are putting in the things that they have in common with each other. And the main thing that we want them to do at this point is to talk. This is all about the discussion and the talking. Oh, I noticed this. Oh, I have this. I have notes on this. Oh, I didn't get that piece. Why is that important, right? We want them to be talking about what they're doing. And then when they're done, we have them move to these last 2 slides, the student paragraph, where they are then summarizing on their own what their understanding is of the material. And the cool thing about that is that they can go back and look at the Venn diagram and look at their notes and their partner notes to help them through that writing process. So for a student, it looks like this. We have here, you can see the blue student wrote their notes, and then they copied and pasted their notes, and then the 2 students compared and contrast. And then here at the end, they separate on their own and they write. So this takes about 10 minutes per part. It doesn't seem to matter what grade level. 10 minutes is about the right amount of time. So 10 minutes for the reading, about 10 minutes for the sharing, and then about 10 minutes for the writing at the end. For younger students, we recommend that they go straight to the Venn diagram to take their notes and then compare and contrast there, and that way you can eliminate the cutting and pasting part. Teachers love Cyber Sandwich, and they've been using it across the grades. As soon as students are reading and writing somewhat, they're ready to go into the Cyber Sandwich. It's fun to watch Twitter on the hashtag EduProtocols and hashtag Cyber Sandwich to see what people are doing and how they're using it. And I hope that you'll have fun using it too with your students.